Hi everyone, welcome back. You probably remember this truck. I did the bear claw latch on that side. Um, this side, when I started to do it, the door had been badly sprung. Somebody had opened it too far and it pulled this out and a bit. So I took a hammer and beat it back in to where the door would close a bit. But the door hinges have been bent, so they're sprung a bit. So the door don't want to close all the way. So anyways, what you do is you get something to jam in the hinge. I can do it from this side, I think. And then you use the door like a lever, and whatever you jammed in there as a fulcrum, and you just manhandled it a bit and see if it's any better. And there you go. That's how you bend a door hinge to allow your door to close better. A lot of the old cars you had to bend hinges a bit because they didn't put adjustability into all of them, and people put 2x4s in here or whatever. I just put something hard in between the hinge because that's where I wanted it to bend. And there you go, guys. Your quick tip of the day: how to help a door fit better. You guys have a great day.